Hi guys, welcome to this video. It's gonna be quite different today in this video because I'm gonna show you guys how to make money using AI. But I might not actually be the one presenting right here on this video because this guy is gonna be doing the work. So tell them, guys.
Another Franklin Emmanuel in the building.
Awesome, you heard that right? So basically, we want to show you guys how you can actually make over $2,000 every single month using AI. And this is mind-blowing because we all basically are thinking of how to make money, but the ways to make money are right in front of us, and we don't still know how to still make the money. All right. So in this video, I want to share with you guys 4 simple tools that will help you to create AI avatars. Now, AI avatars for videos are actually digital representation of people that are being controlled by AI, or they are being kind of animated. And if you actually look at this, my guy right here, you will also notice that he is quite animated, but then is able to communicate what I want him to communicate, and all of this is done with AI. Now, first of all, I actually love the fact that you can actually differentiate this particular guy to the real human being, but then AI has actually become way smarter and way more impressive than we even have expected it to be. Now, AI avatars are basically going to be helping us to do a whole lot of things in different sectors, with which you can actually use to scale our income as well as save a lot of time. Right? Because that's what I usually would tell people about AI, because AI definitely is there to help you save time while you make much more money for yourself in your business. So let's look at a couple of ways that AI can actually help us in terms of content creation, in terms of corporate training, virtual customer service, marketing and advertising, translation services, virtual events, and even personalized greetings. Whichever one of this you actually want to use, you can leverage AI, and this particular step I'm going to walk you through right now to get this done. Okay, but then guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 tools that you can actually use for this AI avatars, and you can actually go ahead and get started with any of them for yourself. Okay, now the very first tool I actually want to share with you guys right here is Creatify. Now, if you actually look on here, you can see a couple of avatars that are here, and they are, just presenting a couple of things on screen, and you can just follow up with, a couple of more avatars that are on here, although these are real people though. But the way it works is if you actually upload a video or a picture, the tool is able to, with your script, add an audio and then make this, animation of the person talking and all. And this is Creatify. Okay. Now let's go over to the next one. This is HeyGen. HeyGen also have their own avatar side of things. And you can see here, let me just play this avatar for you so you can see. All right, so when you actually create your account, you have 1 credit that can actually just get you started, and with that credit you cannot really do much things though, because most of this is actually on the premium plan. But then, and let's just watch this first.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. Welcome to the new.
All right, so you basically see that, and this is a very cool thing. And like I said, it can be used in several areas in your business. It could be for greetings, it could be for marketing, for trainings, and whatever it is. This basically gets the job done. Okay, now the third tool I'm going to share with you guys right here is VEED.io. These guys already have a very cool and straightforward patterns with this. You can actually see a couple of avatars. They're asking you to sign up here. I don't want to sign up because I don't want to go ahead and start putting in my details and all. But then you can basically see a couple of avatars they have on here, like every of the avatars they have on here. They have a very wide range of avatars. And with all of these avatars, you can easily just place or type in your text and put in some voiceovers, and they just get talking for you. Right? Think about when you're creating a faceless YouTube channel and you want someone to actually be the face presenting the video. You just have the script and the audio, and this guy done for you. Like, how about that? That is quite impressive. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to share with you guys right here is Synthesia as well, right? And Synthesia, you can see they have a couple of other avatars too, with which you can simply just go ahead and get started with anyone you want.
I'm Ada, one of Synthesia's stock AI avatars. I'm looking forward to helping you create videos.
So do you see that? That's quite smart though. Right, so imagine where you have people like this that can actually be the face of your content, and they give you the voice, they give you almost everything that you basically need, and you're good. Like, you're absolutely good, nothing much. Right, that's awesome. Now the last one I'm going to share with you guys right here, which is a tool that I've actually personally used and I have been able to explore very widely, and I've used to create content on here, is Akool. Now, the way you even watch right now, you can see that this guy as well, he's also prompting to watch this particular video with me. Yeah.
Heyo, I'm with Frank on this video, and this is gonna blow your mind. Stay tuned.
Yeah, so you basically have heard that, and with Akool here, you are able to not just create avatars, but also create personalized avatar designs in different language representation and voice tone. So what you simply want to do is to get started. You can see several use cases, both online education, e-commerce, and social media. So let me just click on get started. On sign up here, you get a couple of credits, around 50 credits, but then you can still buy a couple of more credits for yourself, and that just works fine. Okay, so let us take, for example, you can see I have about 1,000 credits, which I'm currently using to explore the platform, right? And I'm like, okay, fine, let me use my own avatar for myself. This is the avatar I currently just used. Let me use my own avatar. Let's say I want to upload my own picture. Okay, so let me upload my own picture here. So what it basically does is to start analyzing this particular picture to figure out where the face is, and also to get, how to, animate that particular, face to be able to speak as much as you want. Okay, so we already have that uploaded on here. I'm going to click on it because this is what we are going to use. Let me just type another Franklin Emmanuel in the building. Okay, so let's generate an audio. So I'm going to use this particular voice, and let's see if there are other audios. So instead of using that one, let's use Daniel. Okay, let's use Daniel, male voice. Now click on generate audio. Now, once I click on generate audio, you're going to basically see it will take a couple of seconds, but the audio will be generated. So I'm going to just
Another Franklin Emmanuel in the building.
All right, so you guys just heard that, right? Awesome. So once we have this done, remember that was just a short script. I'm going to click on generate premium results, leave it at 1080p so that it's going to take 10 credits. 4K is going to take more credits from me, and I'm paying for this stuff, right? Now it's done, and then moved over to my library. I'm going to click on my library right now. And when I come over here, I'm just going to see a couple of, assets I've done, the results I've done. And this one here is processing. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes to finish processing before we shoot. Okay. Yeah. So just also note that there are other things you can actually do around with this. It mustn't be Franklin. You can use Elon Musk. You can use Mark Zuckerberg. Create AI content, and just use the leverage of that to do some cool stuff for yourself. Now remember, this is actually for educational purposes, and you also want to use it in a very positive light. Okay, awesome. So let's just hold on for this to finish processing so that we can actually see what we have created. Okay, let us go ahead and play this right now so you all can see.
Another Franklin Emmanuel in the building.
So you guys can actually hear that right now. And this is quite awesome. Now, Akool basically, has a lot of AI, tools that you can basically use, right? From their face swap option, where you can swap off faces, to their video translate option, to their talking photo option, to image generation, and also the background change option. There are a lot of things you can actually do with Akool. And most probably, I'm going to be doing another video for you guys where I'll be sharing with you guys a couple of further insights that will still help you to gain, more ways on how to make money using the AI. All right, it is the AI era, and you do not want to miss any of them. So you actually want to make sure you actually stick to this particular channel and smash the bell icon so that you get updates on every video. With this, guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.